Hi guys, Mitch here. So for today, let's take a look at this simple emergency kit that I have for myself that I always bring on trail, whether camping or hiking. Okay, so first up, we have Hydrite. So this is a rehydration solution commonly used by athletes. So this is the cheaper option, no, if you don't have an energy drink. So this is available in different flavors. Make sure if bago pa mo, you get the flavored one para dili mo makuratan sa iyang taste. Okay, and then we have a gauze pad, and also here we have band-aids. Okay, also another gauze pads, no, so wala lang ni siya nakaseal, but magamit pa gihapon ni siya. Next is we have the medical tape. So I remove the hard shell in the middle, no, so I can press it and it will fit the tin can. Okay, next is we have the 2-inch elastic bandage. So actually this is a 5 yard in length. Ako lang ni siyang gi-cut into half para masigo. Next is we have the Imodium. I always have at least 2 Imodium, no, because you need to take 2 if maglain imong tiyan for it to take effect, and then every 4 hours if di pa mawala, you need to take another 2 or 1 depende sa imong paminaw. Okay, and lastly, needle. So I tape it to make sure that it stays in place. So pwede ni siya nimo gamiton pangkuha sa tunok under your skin. Right? So I guess maura ni siya tanan, no, apart from my essential oils. Maura gyud ni siya akong gamit. I don't bring anti-allergy medicines because I don't take them, and also I know my triggers, so I avoid those foods na maka-trigger sa ako ang allergies. So there you have it, guys. I hope you have learned something from this video and make your own, because this is very helpful in times of need. By the way, I am using this bungee cord to secure my emergency kit. You can also customize your own. So thank you for watching, and stay safe and always enjoy the outdoors. Bye.